Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to present you with a new interesting topic on Maggi and health. As we look around, the present world is characterized by its instant nature, where everything is available at the touch of a button or in minutes. The demand for instant gratification has led to the rise of fast food chains, instant messaging, and on-demand streaming services. While this instant nature has made our lives more convenient, it has also resulted in increased stress levels, decreased attention spans, and a negative impact on our health. One such most popular instant thing that we are presenting you today is Maggi, that is synonymously used for instant noodles. Maggi is a popular instant noodle brand that has been around for several decades. It is a quick and easy meal that has become a staple for many people, especially students and young adults. However, in recent times, it has unfortunately gained a reputation for being a health hazard. With their high sodium, fat, and calorie content, these noodles can pack a big punch when it comes to negative health effects. From weight gain to heart disease, instant noodles have the power to turn our quick and easy meals into long-term health problems. So, digging deeper, let us see what exactly Maggi contains. The main ingredients of Maggi noodles are A. Palm oil. Maggi noodles contain palm oil, which is high in saturated fats. B. Sodium. Maggi noodles are high in sodium, with one serving containing about 1,100 milligrams of sodium, which is more than half of the recommended daily intake of sodium for an adult. C. Monosodium glutamate, also referred as MSG, is a flavor enhancer. Some people may be sensitive to MSG, causing headaches, flushing, sweating, and chest pain. D. Wheat flour. Maggi noodles contain wheat flour, a commonly used ingredient in many foods, is also a common allergen. Knowing the ingredients, let us see how it can have a major impact on our health. Number 1. Increased risk of obesity. Maggi is a high-calorie food that is often consumed in large quantities. One pack of Maggi noodles contains around 400 calories, which is a significant portion of the daily recommended calorie intake. Regular consumption of Maggi can increase the risk of being overweight or obese. A study conducted in India found that the regular consumption of Maggi was associated with an increased risk of being overweight or obese. The study also found that the risk was higher in children who consumed Maggi regularly. The high-calorie content of Maggi, coupled with its popularity as a quick and easy meal option, can lead to overconsumption, which can result in weight gain. Number 2. High blood pressure. Maggi is high in sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure. Consuming high amounts of sodium can cause the body to retain water, which can increase blood volume and put pressure on blood vessels. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of instant noodles, including Maggi, was associated with high blood pressure. The study found that the risk was higher in women than in men. Number 3. Increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Maggi has a high glycemic index, which means that it can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The high glycemic index of Maggi is due to its high carbohydrate content and the fact that it is a processed food. Consuming high amounts of processed foods like Maggi can lead to a spike in blood sugar levels, which can increase the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Digestive problems. Maggi contains high levels of fat and oil, which can cause digestive problems such as bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. The high fat content in Maggi can slow down digestion, leading to discomfort and digestive issues. In addition, the high sodium content in Maggi can also cause water retention, which can contribute to bloating and other digestive problems. Number 5. Nutrient deficiencies. Maggi is a highly processed food that lacks essential nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. Regular consumption of Maggi can lead to nutrient deficiencies and associated health problems. The lack of essential nutrients in Maggi is due to the fact that it is a highly processed food. The processing of food removes many of the nutrients present in the original ingredients. As a result, consuming high amounts of processed foods like Maggi can lead to nutrient deficiencies, which can cause a range of health problems. Number 6. Increased risk of cancer. As said earlier, Maggi contains monosodium glutamate, abbreviated as MSG, which has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. MSG is a flavor enhancer that is commonly used in processed foods like Maggi. Studies have shown that consuming high amounts of MSG can lead to an increased risk of cancer, especially stomach cancer. In addition, Maggi has also been found to contain high levels of lead, which is a toxic metal that can cause a range of health problems, including cancer. In conclusion, consuming Maggi can lead to a range of health problems, including obesity, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, digestive problems, nutrient deficiencies, and an increased risk of cancer. While Maggi can be a quick and convenient meal option, it should be consumed in moderation. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods and incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet can help to maintain optimal health. So, while we may love the speed and convenience that instant noodles provide, we should also remember that health is the ultimate luxury, and it is worth taking the time to invest in it. By making conscious and informed choices, you can take control of your diet and lead a more wholesome lifestyle. So, let's make healthy choices, one meal at a time. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more such content. Thank you.